Hello, I'm Dr. Chris Pickard. I'm a chiropractor at the Pain Relief Centres in Brookmans Park, South Hertfordshire, and in Finchley, near Tallyho Corner. Now, today I'm going to talk about shoulder problems, shoulder pain. Now, the most common shoulder problems come from injury of what are called the rotator cuff muscles, which are four muscles that hold the shoulder in the socket, while the big muscles, the deltoids, the pecs, the biceps, the triceps, they are the power movers. They're the ones that allow you to pull and push. Now, the rotator cuff muscles, if one of those gets injured from an injury such as throwing or playing tennis or golf, or very often just from poor posture, which pulls the shoulder blades forwards and pulls the muscles out of alignment, and therefore over time leads to an injury. So very often correcting of a shoulder problem means correction of posture to allow it to get better, especially if the shoulder injury's been hanging around for 3 or 4 months and isn't getting better. Another common source of interference with the shoulder injury is, surprisingly, the jaw. The jaw muscles actually come down and they attach to the shoulder at the front and the back, and if the jaw is slightly unbalanced, it will cause an imbalance of the shoulder muscles and will stop them getting better and coordinating again. However, for the more conventional shoulder problems, such as rotator cuff injuries or even frozen shoulder, we use a couple of different techniques. One is called the Neil Asher technique, named after the genius osteopath Simeon Neil Asher, who discovered it. It's a series of manoeuvres that, when applied in the proper sequence, allow the rotator cuff muscles in your shoulder to re-coordinate and start moving again. It's the best physical treatment I've ever seen for frozen shoulder, and I wholeheartedly recommend it and use it myself. It doesn't just work for frozen shoulder, it does work for other shoulder injuries as well, and it can even help with some forms of shoulder arthritis. Now, we also use some other techniques. One I've named the Matt Fury technique. Matt Fury is a world-renowned martial artist, exercise guru and internet guru as well, actually. And he found from China some certain shoulder exercises, shoulder techniques, soft tissue techniques to help with chronic shoulder problems, and I've learned them from him. Unfortunately not personally, just through his videos, and I've applied that to quite a lot of people now, and it does work really well. We also use traditional things such as ultrasound. We also use modern techniques such as cold laser on the shoulder as well. We also will check the neck and the joints between the shoulder blades to make sure they're not interfering with the shoulder movement. And we can also look at diet, nutrition and exercise programs for you as well. So if you've got a shoulder problem, whether it's frozen shoulder, whether it's a shoulder niggle, shoulder arthritis, or something that you've had lots of other practitioners look at and it's getting no better, then please give us a call. We have a no-hassle first appointment. You can either just book in for 15 minutes, I can have a quick look, or if you want to book in for a full consultation, if it looks like I can't help you, again, there's no charge. You can call the Finchley Clinic on 0208 446 7575 or the Brookmans Park Clinic on 01 707 662 704. Or to learn more about the procedures I've talked about, please go to the website www.thepainreliefcentres.co.uk. Thank you for watching.